So like, I was at my computer desk and I got this message from this guy named Morpheus. And he said, just follow the little white rabbit. And I was like, I know Kung Fu. And it was amazing. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what this white rabbit is. So man, you know, we're gonna go check it out and we're gonna see what happens. Trinity! Do you know who I am in this place? Yeah, I know who you are. You're Morpheus, right? And you told me to follow the little white rabbit? That is correct. I am Morpheus. And you must choose now. The blue pill will keep you here, and you will stay this way. Take the red pill, and you'll see how deep the rabbit hole goes. Well, I guess I would like to take, you know, the pill that makes me go to the Matrix. Okay. Cool, man. So, like, I know Kung Fu. Okay, Morpheus? Of course, Neo. Okay. Whoa, man. Like, where is this place, man? I can't get out of here, man. I'm gonna try to get out of here. What the heck, man? I just went into like this thing, man. I don't know what the heck this is.
You don't understand.
The train, man?
I built this place.
Okay, man, I can dodge bullets. All right, man. Because when the time comes, I won't have to.
I am the great Clawtor. Hear me roar.